Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will share my brownie thins recipe. For the ingredients, we need 1/2 cup melted butter, 1 cup granulated white sugar, 3/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 pieces whole eggs, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, and for the toppings, we need caravella flakes. In your bowl, mix in your dry ingredients. Lagay na natin si melted butter, vanilla extract, then the eggs. Change to rubber scraper para mas madali yung pag-mix mo. Kailangan wala ng traces ng cocoa powder or flour. Then this is good for 1 jelly roll pan. You put baking paper para mas madali matanggal later. Then let's spread it here. Yan. So, kailangan ma-spread ng maayos, ha? Then, sprinkle mo si caravella flakes on top. You can put some nuts also if you want. Tapos, bake natin to around 25 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's my brownie thins. Then, pwede natin slice. Di na kailangan sakto yung shape ha, or even. I mean, even yung shape. There you go, our brownie thins. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!